Hey y'all, it's me, Fuzzy Fire, back for episode 2, day 2 of Stardew Valley. Ooh woo. Yeah. This is where we get our fishing pole and stuff, so I like fishing in this game. So that's fun. That's for the backpack, and here's the fishing. Woo! I don't have corona. That would be funny if I did, though. You know, I think I made the last video a bit too long. It was like almost a half hour. And I kind of want to make this episode shorter because, well, I mean, who's gonna watch a long video? Am I right, fellas? My average view duration for, that first video was like 2 minutes, so... I swear I'm not sick. I would be really surprised if I actually got sick, cause then... Well, I mean, I don't go outside, so that's why I would be surprised. Alright, time to go into town and, do the things, get the stuff. Be the... whatever. Oh, there's something that I want to ask y'all, and, so I'm gonna do that. You see all these people that are labeled single, like Sam, Alex, Abigail, Leah, Maru, Sebastian, Emily, Harvey. Oh, Harvey's single? I didn't know that. Haley, Penny, Elliot, and Shane. Well, out of all those people, I would like you guys to choose who I'm going to try and marry, because that is a feature of this game. You can marry the single people, whichever you want. And I'll let you guys choose for me because I think that would be more fun than me just deciding on my own. You know, I think I've been coughing because I literally haven't really drinking anything pretty much all day. And now I'm gonna head down to the docks. I zoomed out to check for goodies and such. Hello, Willie. Willie Billy. Ahoy there, miss! I kinda sounded like Mickey Mouse as a pirate, I guess. Heard there was a newcomer in town. Good to finally meet ya. Yeah. I'm still trying to unwind from a month out on the salty seas. It was a big haul, sold a lot of good fish. Yeah, I'm sure you did. Finally saved enough to buy me a new rod. Here, I want you to have my old fishing rod. It's important to me that the art of fishing stays alive, and hey, maybe you'll buy something from the shop once in a while. I'm just not gonna do a voice for him yet. I received a bamboo pole. Yay. I mean, yay.
Okay, guys, that ain't me.
It's good water here in the valley, all kinds of fish. Thanks, man. Oh yeah, my shop's back open now, so come by if you need supplies. I'll also buy anything that you catch. If it smells, it sells. That's what my old pap used to say anyway. Just gonna skip the rest of that. Right. Alright, I think I'm just gonna fish for a little bit. Fish with my rod. My big rod. Alright, I think I'm gonna go and search for some goodies, you know, do some foraging. Hopefully find some spring stuff, you know? I'm gonna go up the way near the old homeless guy and hope to find something there. And then I'm gonna try to introduce myself to the one person that I forgot to introduce myself to. Marnie was her name, question mark. I'm not gonna give anyone gifts today because, I'm gonna wait to give people gifts until someone gives me a suggestion for who to go and try to marry. But, yeah. I'm gonna get some wood and stuff so that I can build a bridge to the other side of the beach area, you know? Get off of me, rug. Great. Put the water back in there and go chop some trees. A lot of trees for a lot of wood. Gotta get all the wood so that I can build a bridge. Repair a bridge, more like it. Man, I do not know why I'm coughing so much. I literally haven't been coughing any... Oh, no, it must be because I'm talking, right? Because I haven't drinking liquids all day and now I'm talking, and I haven't talked all day either. I live an exciting life. Oh, and I am pretty much out of energy, actually. Oh no! Oh no! Ah, hecky Becky. I'm gonna eat one of the fish that I put in there. Come on, hurry your small legs. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this fish raw. It's like sushi, you know? Alright, I'm gonna see if I have enough energy to finish chopping down this tree. Yes, I do! Heck yeah. 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 Alright, 59 is nowhere near 300, but it's a start, so... I'm gonna put this stuff in here, and then go meet that person. She's probably at the bar this time. I can't believe I completely passed her up the first time I played this. Or in the first episode, cause, like, she was right there in the kitchen next to Jazz, and I saw it while editing, and I just feel stupid now. Oh man. She's not in here. I swear to God, if I lose track of this woman again, I'm gonna... Don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna. Just you watch me. I'm gonna. Hi, Penny. Jazz. No! No! Ah, no. I'm gonna miss her again. That sucks. Right now I'm searching for goodies. And while searching for goodies, I'll just check over there occasionally to make sure she hasn't left. Give me them goodies. Goody good goods. Also, in the last episode, I missed a dandelion when walking through here. I know it doesn't really matter much, but it matters to me. Or I think it was a dandelion, I could be wrong. The hat mouse isn't there yet. The hat mouse sells hats, believe it or not. Alright, horseradish. Hallelujah. There's the dandelion that I lost or that I didn't get last time. Got it this time, boyo. Buckaroo. My home skillet, home slice. There's another one. Yeah, alright. You know, maybe she's at the bar. It's a possibility, so I'm gonna check. Come on, be at the bar, be at the bar. She's not at the bar. Gosh darn it, I swear she does go to the bar some days. You know what, I'm gonna check her house first thing in the morning for the next day. Alright. So, no luck with the bar thing. Again. I think I might end the episode here, because I don't want it to be long. No one's gonna watch a half-hour video, right? Well, no one except my #1 fan and my girlfriend, so yeah. Hope y'all have a good day. Bye. Oh, wait, also don't forget to comment who I should try and marry. Really appreciated if you were to do that. Thanks, guys. You're the best.